Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody. So today I will tell you a story, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Bimo Anggowoaji and I'm now in 8th grade of Bilingual Terpadu. So the story that I want to tell you today is about a good robber, and you may also know it as Sunan Kalijaga. Hear the story and happy listening. The real name was Raden Shai. Before he got the title Sunan, he is the son of the Duke of Tuban, Anggowoaji. The robbery of Raden Shai was discovered by his own father. Of course, the Anggowoaji was angry, and then he expelled Raden Shai from their residence. How could you son do this to me? Can you please stop this? No, I can't, father. I will keep this happening. What? How dare you talking to your father like that? So from this day, you are not my son anymore. Go away from this palace and I don't want to see your face again. Okay, fine. I will go away from this palace, but remember, and I will never get back. So, Raden Shai kicked from his residence. But in fact, he then demolished a dusty warehouse to distribute food to people who need it in Tuban. Why? Anybody know why? Because at the time, people in Tuban was living poorly because of long dry season. Out of Tuban area, Raden Shai met someone in Jatiwangi forest. Later, someone is known as Sunan Bonang. Hey you! Give attention to me! If not, I will kill you! Raden Shai did not realize the old man was Sunan Bonang because he still have the soul of begging. He will steal Sunan Bonang's stick that looked like a gold. Why still standing there? Give the stick to me! Give the stick to me right now! So, Raden Shai got Sunan Bonang's stick, but Sunan Bonang fell down and cried. Hey old man, why are you crying? I will return the stick here. The stick is not what made me cry. So what made you cry? When I fell down, I offered some grass. It's just a few pieces of grass. So you will kill me? Yes, I have sinned because I offered it to the need. After that, Sunan Bonang get up and asked Raden Shai, "Young man, what are you looking in this forest?" "I'm looking for treasure. I want to give it to poor people in Tuban." What a kind heart you are. Still, how to get it wrong. Hey old man, what are you talking about? "Young man, may I ask you, if it was your coat stolen, is your action correct?" "What the fool is that? It will only have the dirtiness and smell of the clothes." "Yes, it's same as what you do. You give charity to people by stealing from the other people." Then, Raden Shai got in surprise. He began a track with the old man. And one day, "Mr. Sunan Bonang, can you please be my teacher?" "I can be your teacher. But first, you need to keep my stick while I'm going." "But where are you gonna go?" "You don't need to know where I'm gonna go. All you know is you need to keep my stick where I'm going." So, Raden Shai take the stick and wait until Sunan Bonang get back. He will fall back. Meanwhile, Sunan Bonang walking easily in the river like walking in the land. But after that, he disappeared. And no one even know where did he go. And one day, Astaghfirullahaladzim, I think I left someone. I need to get back right now. So, Sunan Bonang get back to Raden Shai's place. And then he was very surprised. He saw Raden Shai's body was full of grass. Since that day, Raden Shai is now known as Sunan Kalijaga. He is one of 9 famous saints in Java Island. He is also an artist, humanist, and expert on Sufism, intellectual, and politician. One of the most biggest Raden Syed creation is Clear Ilir song that you can find it on YouTube or Google. So just like that, and here's the end of the story. I'm sorry if I did a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.